Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Sambhar rice Pongal. For that I have taken half cup of Sambhar rice and a quarter cup of this mixed dal. Both I have taken and cooked with 2.5 cup of water for 3 whistles. Half teaspoon black pepper and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds I have crushed and kept here. Now curry leaves, pinch of asafoetida. This is optional. Cashews, if you want, you can add, otherwise you can skip it. In this, while cooking, I have added the salt. Now the tadka pan is hot. We'll put the ghee in it and roast the cashews. This will add to the pongal. Again a teaspoon of oil, hing, curry leaves, cumin and pepper. This also you add to the pongal and mix it well. Our Sambhar rice pongal is ready to serve. The Sambhar rice pongal is ready. I have prepared a mixed vegetable curry to serve along with this. You can also serve it with chutney. Half cup Sambhar rice and quarter cup dal. You can take Moongdal also. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.